Alright, so today we're going to work on another combinatorial proof. This one we're asked to give a combinatorial proof that n squared is equal to 2 times n choose 2 plus n. And the way we're going to do this one is we're going to consider an alphabet. So let us count the number of words in an alphabet. I should say of length 2 in an alphabet with n letters. So the idea is I'm looking for words of length 2. Oh, let me just focus the camera. Okay, there we go. So I'm looking at words of length 2. And the idea is, well, I have n options here for what the first letter is, and n options here. So this will give me n squared total words. So this takes care of the left-hand side. So the left-hand side, the n squared, we're going to think of this as how many words are there of length 2 if we have n options for each. Because you have n options for the first one, n options for the second one, multiply them together, that gives you n squared options. Cool. Doing the right-hand side, so that's the left-hand side. If you want to do the right-hand side, we're going to break this up. We're going to look at words with the same letter. So these will be things like A or B, right? So if you use the same letter in both positions, what you're going to get is, well, it's just going to be n, because you just choose the letter and that's both positions. So, and so on. So there are n such words. But let's say they're different. So the other case, so I guess this would be case 1. Case 2 would be what happens if they're different. The letters are different. Then there are n choose 2 ways to choose the letters. And 2 ways to put them together. So the n choose 2, that represents me pulling out an A and a B, and the 2 ways to put them together, that means you're either going to get like AB or BA. And since every 2-letter word either has the same letters or different letters, and these 2 are distinct, we know we're counting the same things. So we get that these are all such 2-letter words in this n-letter alphabet. So therefore, the number of 2-letter words is 2 times n choose 2. This corresponds to when they're different letters, you choose the 2 letters, and then there's 2 ways to put them together. So choose your letters, put them together in 2 different ways, plus n. This just corresponds to when it's the same letter in both places. Since we have an alphabet of n letters, pick your letter. There's n different letters, you get n different words. Alright, thanks for watching.